Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is cryptography. Let's start it. Cryptography is the practices that study of techniques for secure communication in the presence of third-party adversaries. Here are some key topics in cryptography. First is encryption, converting plain text into unreadable cheaper text to protect confidently. Second is decryption, converting cheaper text back into plain text. Third is crypt analysis, studying methods for breaking encryption algorithms. Four is in cryptographic protocols, secure communication protocol using cryptography such as SSL and TLS. Five is digital signature, verifying authenticated and integrity of messages using public key cryptography. Six is public key cryptography using pairs of key public and private for encryption and decryption. Seven is symmetric key cryptography using the same key of encryption and decryption. Eight is hash functional one-way functional of data integrity and authenticity verification. Nine is key exchange, securely exchanging cryptography keys between parties. 10 is random number generation. Granted purely random number of cryptographic purpose. 11 is cryptographic primitive, basic building blocks of cryptographic algorithms such as block chippers and stream chippers. For 12 is quantum cryptography, using quantum machines to create secure communication channels. 13 is post-quantum cryptography, developing cryptographic algorithm resistant to quantum computer attacks. 14 is homomorphic encryption, performing computation on encrypted data without decrypting it first. 15 is zero knowledge proofs, proving statements without revealing underlying information. Here are some additional topics in cryptography. First is blockchain cryptography, cryptographic techniques used in blockchain technology such as consensus algorithm and smart contract security. Second is cryptography access control, using cryptography to control access to secure and data. Third is secure multi-party computation, enabling multiple parties to jointly perform computation on private data without revealing their inputs. 5 is homomorphic encryption schemes, allowing computation on encrypted data with decrypting it first. 5 is zero knowledge proof system, enabling one party to prove statements to another without revealing underlying information. 6 is identity based encryption, using public key data are derived from identities such as email addresses. 7 is attributed based encryption, enabling access control based on attributes or policies. 8 is searchables encryption, enabling searching to encrypted data without decrypting it first. 9 is functional encryption, enabling computation on encrypted data without decrypting in first. 10 is lattice based in cryptography, using latency problems for cryptographic primitives such as public key encryption. 11 is code based cryptography, using error correcting code for cryptographic primitives such as public key encryption. 12 is multivariates in cryptography, using multivariate polymerase for cryptographic primitives such as public key encryption है।